Chemistry. So some basic principles. Some basic principles and techniques. Some basic principles and techniques. So what is organic chemistry means? What is organic chemistry? It is the study of carbon compounds. It's the study of carbon compounds. Study of carbon compounds. Study of carbon compounds we call as organic chemistry. In organic chemistry, so carbon has unique properties. What is the first one? Tetravalency. Tetravalency means carbon has 4 electrons in its outermost shell. It can gain electron and it can lose electrons. So that's why you can write plus or minus. Which one? Carbon has plus or minus 4 charge. So plus or minus 4 charge. Has unique properties, that is a tetravalency. So carbon has plus or minus, it has plus or minus 4. That means it can gain 4 electron and it can lose 4 electron and it can share 4 electrons. So sharing 4 electrons means like this: carbon can bond with 4 hydrogen atoms like this. So this is tetravalency, first unique property. What is the second unique property? Catenation. Catenation. So catenation means it can form bond with themselves to form straight chains and branches, like branches like this, and it can form ring structures and it can form benzene rings. So all comes under catenation. So carbon can bond with themselves to form straight chain branches, ring structures, and aromatic compounds. And isomerism. Isomerism. So isomerism also comes under catenation only. But what is isomerism means? Two compounds having same molecular formula but different structure. Example, butane. If you take butane, so here this is a straight chain. The same number of carbon atom we can write in branches also. So this is isobutane. So that is same molecular formula but different structure, that we call as isomerism. When come to one more unique property, it can form multiple bonds. It can form multiple bonds. Carbon carbon, it can form single bond, or carbon hydrogen single bond possible. Between carbon carbon and carbon oxygen, it can form carbon carbon triple bond, and it become carbon 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 and nitrogen also triple bond possible. These are the bonds possible in organic compounds. Like if single bond present means one sigma bond, double bond present means one sigma bond and one pi bond present. Triple bond present means in this case two pi bonds and one sigma bond present. Okay, in single bond one sigma bond, and in double bond one pi bond and one sigma bond present. In triple bond one sigma bond and two pi bonds present. If carbon carbon single bond present or carbon hydrogen single bond present means what is the hybridization of this one? It is sp3. If double bond present means it is sp2. If triple bond present means it is sp hybridization. It is sp hybridization. Then what is the shape and bond angle if it is sp3? We'll see. If hybridization is sp3, okay, the bond angle is 109.5 degree and it is tetrahedral. Geometrical shape is tetrahedral. Geometrical shape is tetrahedral. If hybridization is sp2, okay, so it is 120 degree. The geometrical shape is trigonal, planar, trigonal, planar. If hybridization is SP, it is 180. It is linear. Okay, so linear structure. This is geometrical shape. You should remember. If hybridization of carbon is sp3, percentage of S character you have to check. Percentage of S character in this case 25%. Percentage of S character in this case 33.3%. The S character in SP 50%. 50%. You should remember percentage also. These are the basic points we are discussing. Now we'll go to next one. How to predict number of sigma bonds and pi bonds and hybridization. We'll see the examples now.